Yeah. That's going to be controversial because I thought he was... Oh,
combination of the head by Tszyu. Momentarily staggering.
He hurt Gonzalez. A little delayed reaction.
Oh, another one. A swarm by Tszyu. A barrage to the head.
And he's a finisher.
We're going to find out now if power has a little advantage over boxing.
An overhand right by Kostya Tszyu that really nailed Gonzalez.
Oh, now that was, you see what he did there? There, now that was wrong. That was wrong.
Forearmed him, give him, oh, what a left hook.
Gonzalez taking a big beating here. Big beating.
Gonzalez is in trouble.
Yep, he's taking a big beating. He's got a whole minute to endure it.
And Tszyu continues to charge in.
He's got to do something to keep Tszyu off, and he's doing it right now.
I don't think Gonzalez has ever faced anybody who hits quite this hard, quite this often.
Straight right hand to the head by Tszyu. What a round for Kostya Tszyu.
Big, huge round.
Again, all over Gonzalez.
Boy, but what kind of jaw on Gonzalez? He should have been gone by now. He's been pummeled. Look at that.
Tremendous pressure by Tszyu.
31 seconds to go.
I can't understand what's holding him up. His head was almost perpendicular to his shoulders.
Yeah, he got bent back.
Tszyu trying to end matters here in round 5.
What a hard on Gonzalez and what punching power for Tszyu. He is a monster.
This could be very well a 10-8 round. Without the knockdown, this is as clean a 10-8 round without a knockdown as you might be able to find.
Tszyu doing it in such cool, calm fashion. Just steps in and fires. Great round for Kostya Tszyu.